Cynthia.
And I'm Chris.
And we're the Hanye family.
Okay, we're going to do another suggestion for you guys. This is, well, I'll tell you who asked for it first. It's Malcolm Lawrence, Stinking Polecat, Brixie, or BRXE, however you pronounce it, Kev Cal, and SPK Design 1.
Yeah.
The band is The Members. The song is Sound of the Suburbs. We are interested in doing this. We did notice when we tried to look up one of their videos on their official site that there was something in front blocking it.
Like the video itself was covered with basically a screen that said, if you love music, buy it.
Which is fair.
Yeah.
You know, they're going to do what they're going to do. And I hope they understand that when it comes to reactions and stuff like that, it's really just to promote the artist. And hopefully you guys I already have copies of these songs.
Oh, likely some of them.
Or you're willing to buy them afterwards, because that's kind of the point. Introduce them to the world and let them, purchase what they like.
Yeah,
right?
So hopefully they don't block this video.
Yeah, hopefully they don't block this video. So we're going to get into it. We're going to give it a shot. This is The Members with Sound of the Suburbs.
Same old boring Sunday morning, old man's house, walking the car. Mum's in the kitchen, cooking Sunday dinner, her best meal, moaning what it loves. Johnny's upstairs in his bedroom, sitting in the dark, annoying the neighbours with his punk rock electric guitar. This is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Every lousy Monday morning, Heathrow jets go crashing over our home. 10 o'clock, Broadmoor siren driving me mad, won't leave me alone. The woman next door just sits under the side. She hasn't come out once ever since her husband died. This is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs.
This is fun.
It is a lot of fun, for sure.
And he's literally just singing about what it's like to live in the suburbs. He's like, Sunday mornings, dad's out washing the car and mom's in the kitchen and getting ready for Sunday dinner, or making Sunday dinner. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's got a great sound to it.
it has a great sound.
Very lively. When we were going through the list, I noticed, I think it was a Top of the Pops performance where he was basically just right, within a foot of the camera, just going off.
We knew it was going to be some kind of crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. But we would have played a live version, but then that's what happened. We got that thing in the middle of the screen saying,
If you like music, buy it, or love music.
if you love music, buy it.
Yeah.
Which, like I said,
Makes sense.
That's totally fine. And really, if you love this music, you really should purchase it.
Yeah, but nobody's going, if they want to listen to this song, there's other ways to do it without just doing reactions. So most people will go buy it if they love it.
Exactly.
So,
yeah, by all means, if you guys love this music and you don't have it yet, then buy it.
But this is fantastic. So we're going to continue.
Absolutely.
Yes, that's good, yes, I want to be free. Now they want anarchy. They wait too far, they blast you. Practicing the thing that they do. Sounds quite good, the bass is too loud, and I can't hear the words. This is the sound. This is the sound. is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound. 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 Wow, 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 wow. This is the sound of the suburbs. Turn you home. This is the sound of the suburbs. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is the sound of the suburbs. The one that I want. This is the sound of the suburbs.
That was a lot of fun.
It was,
Oh my
for
goodness.
sure.
I mean, talking about the dad washing the car and mom making Sunday dinner, and then talking about on Saturday when they're downtown and the boys are sitting on the bench yelling at the girls and things like that. And planes going overhead and sirens and parts of it. Like, he's just talking about the suburbs.
There you go.
It's kind of interesting.
There you go. I mean,
But it's just
exciting.
a lot of fun the way they did it.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sound was great. The vocal was nice. I liked the sound of his voice.
Yeah.
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 It was really cool.
It was really interesting. It was a great punk song.
Yeah, it really was.
For sure.
So thank you very much for that request, guys. It was definitely appreciated. New subscriber, that's what that
And
was.
thank you for that, too.
Exactly. So thank you very much. Also, don't forget to check us out over on Patreon. We're adding stuff there all the time. We have documentaries and album reactions, mini concerts. It's a lot of fun. And it's only $3 a month, so not too bad. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Share with your family and friends. Click that notification bell if you don't want to miss a video. And don't forget to enjoy yourself. Later.
Later.